Hello everyone. Hello my friend. It's just Saturday afternoon. I just show this place to my customer. Okay. That's the outside. Can you see over there? A scooter is passing. White car, white cab is passing. Another scooter passing. Like this. I'm showing you the location. That's the main road of HBC. And this is, I would say, is the first floor. I'm showing you this one. Asking price is 1.2 million. Washing machine room, boiler there. And let's come inside. In front of the door, I can say, you have your private gate and keypad door lock. It says welcome. It says laundry. Oh, very kind lady. Okay. I didn't say anything about the personality. It looked like that, but I wouldn't say she is or who is kind or unkind. It depends on an individual. Why not the landlord? Anyway, has two windows. They used this one for living room, previous tenant. Mostly, for a long time I have rented this place, or some other realtor rented this. Whenever foreigner lives here, they used to leave this for living room. And they use this one, surely the bedroom. A bit dark. That is brighter. Okay, this is the kitchen. The landlord is going to replace the countertop, or even if needed, they're gonna maybe change the kitchen. But kitchen is very small. Okay, one good thing of this place is bathroom. Bathroom looks great. Not that great. Oh, shower looks very great. I wish I had that shower. Dehumidifier. There's another dehumidifier though. Oh, I'm spending 3 minutes here in a small apartment. Let's look out through the lattice. There's a parking space in front of this place, in front of this apartment. I was taking video. I was thinking about advertising on Craigslist. Recently, I started advertising on Craigslist, but it doesn't work properly because I'm a real estate agent, not an individual. Let's look outside. This is the washroom. Okay, this kind of furniture will stay. Thank you very much. You have a great weekend. Thank you.